When you write a report about a world leader, organize facts into clear sections so readers can follow your ideas. Start with an introduction, name the leader, and explain why they are important. Next, explain who they were, when they lived, and where they led. Include the country, movement, or organization they were part of. Then describe major actions or decisions. Don't just list facts. Explain what happened and why it mattered. After that, include challenges the leader faced, such as unfair laws, war, or opposition from others. Finally, explain the leader's lasting impact, sometimes called their legacy. For example, Nelson Mandela led South Africa after apartheid. He worked to end unfair racial laws and supported equal rights. One challenge he faced was spending many years in prison. His leadership helped South Africa become a democracy. Always use your own words, organize carefully, and include sources for your information.